Hi, we are Regina, Miranda, Miguel, Santiago, and Sara. We are presenting our key activity, which was an experiment about the efficiency of soaps. The objective was to see the cleaning efficiency of a product on surfaces with different substances and food. Our research question was, which soap will have the highest efficiency for body cleaning when it's combined with another substance?
So here we can see the variables. The first one is the dependent variable, which bases on the substances, specifically the water, the olive oil, the coconut oil, and meat juice. In the second variable, we have the independent one, which is the soaps that we use for the experiment. And in the third one is the control variable, which is the amount of each material and the time of exposition we left each experiment. In our hypothesis, we conclude that it's important to know if the substances are greasy, then the soap will have a higher efficiency cleaning the body.
The materials and substances we used for making this experiment were face mask and glasses, a normal soap that we choose the brand Escudo, a biodegradable soap, a commercial soap that we choose Kleenex, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, 3 teaspoons of soy oil, and flour and water. For making the experimental procedure, we spread some flour until our hands were covered in it. Then we pour some oil in our hands and we wash them with the biodegradable soap. After some seconds, we get rid of the oil and the flour. And we repeat this experiment with the soy oil so we can know which one cleans the best.
Before we can start our analysis of results, it is important to understand how the soap works. It disposes its hydrophobic part towards the fat and its hydrophilic part towards the water, so that soap molecules encapsulate the fat and the outside part of that capsule is related to water. So this one can drag it. Of course, each soap has different properties, and this causes for each soap to have different speeds at which it can eliminate the dirt of your hands. The normal soap took 5 seconds to get rid of the combination of flour and oil. The biodegradable soap took 7 seconds, to get rid of the flour and oil. And the third soap, Escudo, or the commercial soap, took around 5 seconds to get rid of the flour and oil.
We can conclude that the hypothesis is true because depending how greasy is the substance, it will have a major effect cleaning the body. We used 3 different soaps, and in the 3 we saw a higher efficacy, except in the biodegradable one. The objective of the project was achieved because we saw the differences between the soaps, and we were able to provide the hypothesis while answering our research question. Some errors and improvements we have where at first we were confused about our hypothesis and how to do the experiment. So we repeated our experiment with a better specification soap. Finally, we were able to continue with the rest of the work. Some improvements were to rethink the variables, so it was clearer the way the experiment was getting done, and improving our hypothesis too. Thank you. Okay, yeah.